1. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, ITRA, at Jamnagar and National Institute of Ayurveda, NIA, at Jaipur on 5th Ayurveda Day, i.e., the 13th of November 2020 via video conferencing. 2. The Cabinet approved offering 2 lakh rupees crore worth of production-linked incentives to 10 more sectors to boost domestic manufacturing. 3. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved continuation and revamping of the Scheme for Financial Support to Public-Private Partnerships (PPPs) in Infrastructure Viability Gap Funding (VGF) scheme. 4. State-owned NMDC said its board has approved a share buyback proposal of up to 1,378 crore rupees. 5. Bengaluru and Hyderabad retain their crowns as India's Silicon Valleys as both see maximum traction from contractors on the platform, according to a survey by contractual job marketplace Techfynder. 6. Cyclist Dylan Groenewegen was banned from racing for 9 months for causing a sprint finish crash that left a rival in a coma and with severe facial injuries. 7. A documentary showing the role of Indian soldiers in World War I, India, the Forgotten Army, has started airing on Discovery+. 8. Bahrain's long-serving Prime Minister Prince Khalifa bin Salman Al Khalifa died at age 84. 9. Boston Celtics legend and Basketball Hall of Famer Tommy Heinsohn has died. He was 86. 10. In IPL Cricket 2020, Mumbai Indians beat Delhi Capitals by 5 wickets to clinch the title for the record 5th time.